guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a Trader Joe's haul. I have technically done one in this house, but that's it. So we went to Trader Joe's. I haven't really been going to the store very often these days, but I was in the mood to go grocery shopping, so we did it. And I thought I'd show you what we picked up. It wasn't a ton, but I just thought I'd show you what we got. So first up, I got flowers, and these all look so beautiful. So I got some hydrangeas, some tulips, and then the just little 99-cent tulips that pop open when you put them in the water. We finally, it looks dirty now, of course. We finally got the kitchen cleaned up, and I just want to have some fresh flowers out. So also I've been watching, I started following a florist on TikTok, and she has tips for hydrangeas and tulips, so I want to try those. But they're just spring fun flowers. Then we got some delish produce. I always buy these when they have them. I don't know what they are, but they taste great. They're like extra long tomatoes. Some Honeycrisp apples. Can't get enough of those right now, and Bradley also loves them. Some zucchini for Bradley. Lemons and limes. I am craving guacamole so bad. So I picked up 2 avocados to make that. You'll have to excuse my nails. My nails, like the rest of my life, are a mess. These guys. Some bell pepper. I'm planning tomorrow to make a basil and lime vinaigrette situation pasta salad inspired by Jada. So I picked up some bell pepper for that. And then I missed my little arugula salad bowl. So I picked up that and some cucumber. Because I like that, like a cucumber sandwich with dill and cream cheese. Yum. Some random things. These were actually incredible. I picked these up last time on a whim. These are like a Greenies knockoff. They like freshen your dog's breath. But seriously, after he eats one of these and then he comes to give me a kiss, it smells like he just brushed his teeth. It's incredible. And he loves them. So I picked up one of those. We were out of soyaki and we had chicken and rice the other night and we were missing it. So we picked up another one of those. We're actually both really enjoying this lotion that will not focus. This hydrating hyaluronic body gel cream. We have one down here by the sink and we also have one up in our bathroom and we both love it. And I love this for all over my body, but it is nice for like a hand moisturizer because we are washing our hands so much and it's not heavy. It just kind of sinks in right away. They had a grapefruit candle, and although I'm not really into candles right now, I do love this from the past, so I picked one up. And then I was looking for Mother's Day cards. They didn't have any yet, but they did have this really cute dog birthday card. I just loved the Dalmatian and his little clown collar, so I picked that up for my card stash. If you're an adult and you don't have a card stash, you gotta start one because they really come in handy. Got some bread items, plain bagels, can't go wrong with those, and then Bradley got some English muffins. Yum! Yum! All I want right now is freaking juice, and if you follow me on Instagram, you saw that I've been making mango lemonade of sorts with a mango juice, and then this. I really like this Trader Joe's lemonade. This one's in like the refrigerator section. They have many lemonades, but I think this one is somewhat newer. But then I saw peach juice, so I'm gonna make a peach lemonade, maybe mango cocktail later, and I cannot wait. And then some milk and Bradley's wine, Sauvignon Blanc.
Very good.
I speak French. Is that even French? I don't speak French also. These, I don't know if they went away and came back or they just moved them or what, but I used to love these. And then when I was craving them earlier in pregnancy and couldn't find them, but I found them today. So they're just tiny little mini pizzas. They're so good. We also haven't had our mini chicken tacos in a while. Those sounded incredible. Oh my God, that with the guacamole, I just need that. And then some toaster waffles. Bradley's chips, of course, his organic corn chip dippers. He always has those. Some more tortilla chips, and just in case for the guacamole that I've mentioned 1,000 times. And then we got some eggs and some unexpected cheddar cheese. And that is what we got from our Trader Joe's haul. I know it was quick, but in case you guys missed them, I wanted to give you a peek at what we got this week. That rhymed. Anything to say, my love? No. Okay. Oh my goodness, are you supposed to be up on the counter? Can I please have one of my minty bones from Trader Joe's? Yes.
All right. Let's get you one.
Oh my gosh.
Get down.
Yeah, get off the counter.
You gotta get down.
Thank you.
Get it down. Oh.
Loves it. Absolutely loves it.
I'll enjoy it later.
But okay guys, that is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want more Trader Joe's hauls, I will link them up in the corner. Also, if you're more into like, kind of like this video, like more laid back vloggy style videos, we're doing those. We also went to Target, and I think I'm gonna do just a quick little Target haul before that vlog that will be coming next. So yeah, check those out if you're into like around the house stuff. But yeah, again, thank you for watching. I will see you guys very soon, and I hope you have a great day.
Content creator.
Thank you. Say goodbye.
Bye.
Bye guys.